everyone, so today I'm just going to be making a really simple tomato, feta and basil pasta. I got all the ingredients from Morrison's. Got some tomatoes, they were 68p. I got some sun-dried tomatoes, they were 2.20. I got the fresh basil that was 70. I got some spaghetti that was 28, and I got the cheese that was 89p. So it all cost £4.75. Now, no one wants spaghetti, so I'm going to use penne. I've got some in the store cupboard. If not, you could have swapped the spaghetti and bought some penne instead. So all you need is a casserole dish or a dish that goes into the oven. I'm going to add in all the cheese. And guys, whilst you're there, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas? I'm going to keep them all coming this week. Can't get into this right now. Where is my, here we go. So this is dead simple to do. You could do it in the air fryer as well if you wanted to. That would be an easy option. So get all the cheese in the centre, like so. All the tomatoes, they're all going in. Going to add some salt. Just wash this hand. Some salt in. And some pepper. I'm also going to add in some garlic. You don't have to add it if you don't want to, but I like it nice and garlicky. And this is just the garlic puree. Also some herbs. These are just mixed herbs, just normal herbs. You can add oregano or all different types that you want. I'm just using the mixed ones. You pick these up rather cheaply. These are all in your store cupboard. And I'm going to get this into the oven, and this is going to go in for about 15 minutes on 180. After 15 minutes, I've just got the feta and the tomatoes out of the oven, and I've just given them a quick squish. Now be careful, because they will be like lava, the contents of the tomatoes. So give that a really good mix up. I'm going to add in half the jar of the sun-dried tomatoes. That'll stir in as well. And also drain my pasta. Always make too much pasta. Never get it right. I've also got some of the pasta water as well. Keep some of that. In that goes. Stir to combine. And then I'm just going to add some of the fresh basil. I've just used half of this as well, so I've got loads of ingredients left over. All that goes in. And another stir. And I'm just going to pop this back into the oven just for 5 minutes. And thanks guys for liking, following, sharing and commenting on all these meals. I mean, I do read every single comment after it's been posted, so I do get back to if you want to write anything in the comments. So as you can see, that is all combined now, and that's going back in for bye. Such a generous portion size as well, so only one thing left to do is try it.
Can you taste?
And you're back in time.
Just back from golf. What is it? Mmm! Bloody hell's love that.
Isn't it nice?
That's gorgeous. Very nice. Where's it from, that?
Even though he doesn't know.
Aldi.
Even though he doesn't know what he's eating.
Aldi?
Actually, Sainsbury's. You can get your ingredients from
Run to Sainsbury's.
Aldi if you want. Or any other supermarket. Thanks for watching.